new pulley. It's a nice brand. BANDO, same one that makes the belt. 78077. Do not go cheap with this. I just pulled all those AutoZone washers and paid the price. That's what we're doing. Let me got this coated with motor oil. If not, this bolt will break. It talks about it a lot. Actually, read here. And you can tell it tells you everything you need to know. This is a good brand tension. Don't get it AutoZone. I'm telling you right now. Right here though, tell you everything you need to know. Pretty much it's the same specs I have right there as well. There's two different motors. There's a J35A7 and a J35A6. One the A7. Of course, the more expensive, one that's a pain. This is what we're doing. All you gotta do is make sure you follow these instructions very carefully. Clean the hole, clean the bolt. Get a new bolt always. The bolt comes with the tank. Y'all see that? And you get in there and drill it, and then take the reverse bit and be able to extract that up out of there. So it's broken off, to be honest. Like I said, it broke off. This was clear, just hanging in here, dangling to the side. In my other video, if you saw it, so I had to extract this much out of the engine block. Yep, not very cool. It really does. You guys can clean and oil them properly, so no issues on the road. You won't have any issues. You always gotta do this guy first. So right there is the bolt. You can see I got a 17 mil right now. I'm just turning it with my hand. We want to hand tighten both. It can get even worse. There you go. Got kind of adjust it at an angle slightly though. Hand tighten that guy as well. Should be able to get it ratchet in up top here in a second. And then we'll get a good up it there and compress this pulley 3 times. Backwards for about 3 seconds. But each time, get any kind of air out of here. Very important part of this. Keep all this if you don't join it. You can tell 54 foot-pounds is a good amount of pressure, not too much though. Alright, so that should be about 54, I believe, on the dot. 16 foot-pounds here. You can also use the tension, and you can do it here and up top. Get a compressor up top, put it on, because that's all I like. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Works very well, you gotta have it set just like this with the extension on there. We're to give it one more good push back. See if you get like that. I hope so. Rise up on the train. Jump and the back one, make sure everything's on there. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother how they lose it.